guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it has been forever since I've done a video, but I have a few minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing for this bad boy. Woo woo! So I know I bought it like months ago, but I wanted to do an unboxing before I started using it. So let's get right into it. What's in the bag or the box? I said bag because look, first thing in here is a bag. How cool is that? Next is the actual tool. It's pretty, it's lightweight, but it is kind of heavy. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've said that I want to go to cordless. However, this is corded. Super compact. Be perfect for me working in a smaller space. Now I don't have to get out my circular saw or get out the miter saw. I can actually use this. You may hear the washer in the background. That's what that is. Okay, what else is in here? They have a bag full of goodies as usual. There is a suction adapter or vacuum. And also in here is an Allen wrench, and that's more than likely to install your blade right there. And in here also is Lord, if I can think of the word for this right now, but it is so that you can have a straight edge when you saw. And it attaches in the saw. Let's see if I can figure it out. Right here. Yeah, whoa, right there. But we'll do that in a little bit. What else is in here? There is your blade. And it comes with the one blade. Obviously, you can replace it if you need more. But here it is. It is a 4.5-inch blade. These are pretty far apart, so I would more than likely have to get, more precise blades for better cuts. But anyway, I just really wanted to do an unboxing so you guys could see what was in the box. And remember, I told you guys a while back on Instagram, if you don't follow me there, you need to go follow me there, because that's where I do a lot of stuff. I haven't been uploading videos very often, but I'm on Instagram just about every day. And like I said, I told you guys a while ago, I got this for I think it was like 38 bucks from Lowe's, and it was marked down. It was marked down a lot. I love it. I cannot wait to use it. So now that I've shown you what was in the bag, now that I've shown you what was in the box, now I can officially use it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I will be uploading more videos in 2019, so stay tuned, keep watching. Love you guys.